Hello guys, how to fix an error occurred while loading the troubleshooter on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error message appear when you try to run troubleshoot in your system. For example, right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box execute the command device diagnostic command and press OK. It will open hardware and devices troubleshooters. But such type of error message open an error occurred while loading the troubleshooter. An unexpected error has occurred. The troubleshooting wizard can't continue. View more details and you will find an error code also appear 0x80057. And now we will see how to fix this issue by various workarounds as described in this video. So the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd. And open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute first DISM tool. These three DISM tool execute one by one followed by enter key on each time. First DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. So first simply copy this and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter. And let the window complete the process. It will take some times, wait for some times, and once successfully completed, execute the second command. The operation completed successfully. Now again execute second command, DISM check health. All this command path will also available in my videos description. You may copy from there, and here this operation completed successfully. Now we will see execute the third command, restore health, DISM restore health. Simply paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter. It will take some times, wait for some times, and once this command successfully completed, the one more command you will have to execute, SFC scan now command. Command SFC/scan now. SFC/scan now and press enter. It will scan your whole computer for any corrupted file system and it will repair them accordingly. So wait for some times. It will take also some times. After that, restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open services.msc in command prompt Windows, run command box, type it, and here go to background intelligent transfer services, right click on it and choose restart. The second services you should to graphic services, right click on it and choose restart services. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The one more workaround is don't forget to restart your system. After restarting, whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command from Windows as administrator mode again and execute this troubleshoot command through command prompt Windows. Press enter and it will open troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Then if in none of the workaround work in your computer, then you will try through command prompt Windows. That's all.